built aerobatic airplane, and the incredible talent of Mr. Pete McLeod. Moon, there's your money shot. Get your cameras on. I can't wait to see that on social media. Happy with the shakeout. He's going to get turned around now. By means of shakeout, what I mean is they're making sure the belts are not only tight and that the engine and the temperatures are all perfect, but also that there's nothing loose in the cockpit. So roll one side, go to the other side, go to the negative, go to the positive G, and then it's all. Let's get it going here. Pete McLeod. Horsepower as he climbs high into the sky. Gyroscopically bleeds off some of the energy. And the top makes it look fancy as he changes directions now. Spin. That means he's falling again. He's not flying. He's still not flying. The wings aren't even working yet. He's got to get the engine to tip right now. He knows he's running out of energy again, so he's got to change directions. So he does it in the hammerhead turnaround. And he starts building up energy now as he heads down. He's going to make it look pretty as he does that. And now as he climbs out and during this routine today, and pushing as many as 10 in the opposite direction. The airplane as he kicks sideways, that means he wants to get it going end over end, and he's going to do just that. End over end, and then snap it around, come out of it inverted, and he's still connected solidly to be able to do some more aerobatics on the way down. Now, if you watch the Red Bull Air Series, you know that Pete got in trouble an awful lot by over-G'ing. They had a 9G limit in the early days of the racing. And of course, he likes to pull G's. Speed and pulling hard on that control stick will add those G's up. He would often get penalized for busting G. But you'll see him pull race-like G's here several times before he's done. Again, we're going to load over 10 G's on the airplane and his body, which means his body weight will increase 10 times its normal weight. So imagine what it feels like to weigh 10 times your weight. Right there for a moment, he was 0 G as he pushed over the top. Now he's kicking it around to go end over end again. So incredibly easy, it is not. The collegiate title in the U.S. So when he puts it on the 45-degree angle and puts it on the numbers, it's precise flying. Again, as he rounds things off into almost diamond in the sky, and now almost into a hover on the sheer power of the airplane alone. Slows things down, dances on the controls on the very edge of stalling or falling. The airplane there wanted to disconnect and start to fall. It might as well have been a manhole cover if it did. But he flew out of it, put it right on the numbers at the precise moment he did. Truly a lifetime aviator. Pete reserved his first flight on the family plane at 6 weeks of age. His mother recalls how a 6-year-old Pete would sit on his dad's lap, hands on the control column, and likes to rugged north. He lives in northern Ontario, and they have a great lodge up there with his wife and his young daughter. Qualified for his private pilot's license at 16, earned his aerobatic instructor rating when he was 18. But it wasn't until he took delivery of his first high-performance aircraft, the Prince, that he began flying serious competition aircraft. To the very top of the box now. Fighting to stay flying. In the tail slide. Torque roll. As he comes back down, he's got to get turned around. And he's got to get reconnected again. He's got to get the airplane flying. And right about now, the wings do that. Just enough room. It is one of those disciplines, by the way, where you work your way down. So when you get more and more proficient, you learn aerobatics, the lower to the ground you're permitted to fly. Of course, it's some time now. Heat has been rated to the surface. Every inch of the airplane box. Snap rolls now. And then rolling in the opposite direction and watching the ground get made real fast. Grew up hunting and fishing, snowmobiling, boating, and flying. And he plays a great game of hockey too. His first flight, as I mentioned, when he was 6 weeks old. And of course went to Western as a business degree, a master's as well. And he's been a great business person as well. Aerobatic wire manager, of course, the successful. And now watch for some high G pulls as he gets lower. There's a Red Bull pull. Over 10 G's on that turnaround. And he adds a few more G's again. So remember, 10 times his body weight. It feels horrible. It feels ugly. Negative G's even worse. But right now, he's going to give you some pretty passes now as he snaps the right side up. Turnaround again, like you've seen in the Red Bull air races when they go around the pylons. Incredibly hard on the body of the plane. I can't stop. Academically and physically to do what he does. After completing his economics degree at the University of Western Ontario, he decided at the start of the 2016 year. There he is, inverted. He looks so calm, cool, and collected there. Well, that's one of his trademarks too. He's kind of like the ice. But he loves pulling these G's and pushing these G's. And another high G turn now. It is extra 330. Incredibly agile aircraft for aerobatics by Walter Extra, the German, who decided to build an airplane that would win world championships. And indeed, it's been very popular over the years. And we'll see in yet another purpose-built aerobatic airplane a little later this afternoon with Brad Worsted and MX. Now we're going to get ready to get feet a little closer to the ground. It is photo pass, Red Bull, extra 330, and at the control. Later tonight, if you're in Vancouver and you go to the Festival of Lights, you're going to get a chance to see Pete fly before that. It takes place tonight too, out over the water. Leading off some energy now, rolling around and getting ready to recover. airplane is actually falling. It looks like it's tracking across. It's actually falling, and he's keeping it under complete control. Again, has to push over now to get it flying again as he sets up to recover shortly. Pete McLeod. Getting down to the other end of the runway to land into the wind. The toughest thing he's going to do all day today is convince the airplane to stop flying. He's going to dance. It's windy, it's a little gusty, it's a light airplane. He's going to dance on the controls. You'll see the rudder move a little bit as he puts the tail wheel down. It's purpose-built and specifically built for aerobatics. Nasty sometimes to taxi these airplanes, and it is hot in there, no air conditioning. He's under the plexiglass. It gave a great chance for me to remind you to stay hydrated today and drink lots of water. Pete will drink a lot of water once he gets back over to the hot ramp, because he loses, our aerobatic pilots can lose between 3 to 6 pounds during one of these performances, pushing and pulling the G's. He's sweating and he's working very hard. So I'll ask you to show some appreciation for that hard work as he taxis by. Please give it up for Mr. Pete McLeod, proudly Canadian.